Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and today I'll be showing you guys 3 really cool prediction tricks. Before we start the video, I just want to remind you guys that if you like to learn cool magic tricks to impress friends and family, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And also, check out my Patreon page. It'll really help me out if you join, and it'll help you guys out too, because if you're really into serious magic, we can do private lessons. I can do more giveaways on there. So go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description. So at the end of the video, go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, just like every other prediction trick, this prediction trick requires a prediction. But before we do that, we're going to shuffle the cards and just make sure that they are nice and mixed up. So you can just show the spectator that the cards are indeed mixed up. So then we're going to go over here and make our prediction. So I'm just making my prediction right now off camera so you guys don't see it. Alright, so the prediction was made, and we're just going to set that right here. You know what? We're actually going to set it. We're going to have the spectator tell us when to stop. So they say stop right here. You know what? They could actually change their mind as well, just to show that it's a real free choice. So like, let's say they stop right here. They can put it further down or further up. Doesn't really matter. But if we just show that this is where the spectator put their thing, they could have put it anywhere. But this was the prediction that they had. The five of diamonds and the 8 of diamonds. Alright, and if we spread out the cards, we can see the prediction is right here. And we'll take 2 cards sandwiching that prediction. Alright, and our prediction was the 5 of diamonds and the 8 of diamonds. And the 2 cards sandwiching were in fact the 5 of diamonds and the 8 of diamonds. Alright, this is a really cool trick. Doesn't require a setup. Truly shuffle deck just requires, you can use like a blank face card or just like a piece of cardboard that is the same size as a card. And how this is going to work is that you can shuffle the cards, the spectator can shuffle the cards, anyone can shuffle the cards. And to find out what the prediction is going to be, you are going to show the spectator the cards to show that they're all mixed up and everything. So your prediction is going to be the top card and the bottom card. So then you're just going to secretly write down whatever the top card and whatever the bottom card is. And then you're going to just place that to the side face down. And you're not going to shuffle the cards anymore. So then you can have the spectator just tell you when to stop, to put this in. That truly is a free choice. It really doesn't matter where you put the prediction card. So then once you have it, you just place it in and then show that there's a prediction there. And then you want to you want to split the cards in half with the prediction on this side. And then flip it around and show the prediction. And then here's where like the sleight of hand kind of comes in. So you're going to use this hand and flip it around, flip the prediction back. But then you're going to put this pile back on top. So essentially you're putting the top card and the bottom card, sandwiching the prediction. So it's not really where the spectator actually put it. Then you're going to spread the cards out. Take the sandwiching, and then there you're set. Show the prediction, and then show that it was that. Alright, so this next trick also requires a prediction. But first we're just going to shuffle the cards. Let's overhand shuffle. And obviously they are shuffled up. Okay, so we're gonna make this prediction off camera. And we have our prediction. We're gonna just set it right there. Okay. So now what we're gonna do? We're actually gonna give the cards to the spectator. All right. So then the spectator is just gonna deal down as many cards as they want. So to make an actual free choice here, we're gonna ask Alexa. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 52.
Your random number between 1 and 52 is 41.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Alright, so Alexa obviously could have picked any number. Alright, so just place the prediction there, and she could have went through any of the cards, but she did 41. So my prediction was the Queen of Clubs. And the top card that was stopped at was in fact the Queen of Clubs. Alright, this is such a simple trick, but it's really cool. Really devious the way it works. So what we're going to do is, for the prediction, that's going to be the top card. So we're going to have the spectator shuffle the cards and then show that they're all random and then take a look at the top card. Then while you're doing that, you're going to grab your paper, take your marker, and you're going to actually catch a pinky break below the top card. So then place the prediction card on top of the deck and then write your prediction. In this case, it was the 10 of spades. Yeah. Then with that, you're going to take the card, the top card, with the prediction. So you can just turn that over and then take the top card with the prediction. So this is what you have, and then place it to the side. And this is a truly free choice. So then the spectator can just have the cards, and then they go through down as much cards, and then you just show. All right, so these are the cards you could have went through as like a little misdirection, and then just bring this little thing here, and then you're set. So then ditch this. So then make it a big thing. You could have stopped at any time, but you stopped right here. This card, and then show the prediction, 10 of spades or whatever yours was, and then show that you actually stop at the 10 of spades. Alright, so this last trick is really simple. You don't need to write anything down for this one. But what we're going to do, we're just going to have the spectator take a portion of cards from the top. Let's say they take this many cards. Just put that to the side. So then here what I'm going to do is just lay out some cards. And we're just like laying around some cards. Alright, and I think that should be good. Alright, so then we're going to just place right here cards. Alright, so then we're going to have the spectator pick one of the piles. So let's say they pick this pile. So we're going to just take that off to the side. We're going to use this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards in here. And I think the fourth card in this pile will be the 9 of hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is the 9 of hearts. Alright guys, really, really quick and simple. So what you want to do before the trick starts, you just want to memorize the 21st card the card in the 21st position. So you want to take 20 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then just memorize the 21st card. In my case, it's the 3 of clubs. Then you want to have the spectator take a portion of cards. You just don't want to go past the 20. So like they say, if they pick this much, that should be good. But if they take this much, be like, all right, take a lot smaller than that. So say they take this much, then just put that to the side. Then when you're making your little pile here, you want to count down 20 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Obviously, you're counting in your head because you don't want the spectator to know that you're counting 20 cards. Just say something to the spectator. All right, so we're just going to make a little bunch of cards here. And then place the rest to the side. Now you give the spectator a choice. So now you make it look like you're giving the spectator a choice. And you're going to say, pick one of these piles. So if they pick this pile, you're good. But if they pick this pile, you're just going to take that off to the side. So they technically pick to get rid of. That's what they call a magician's choice. So then you just count the number of cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just say the fourth card here will be whatever card that was in the 21st position when you first started. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Works every time. Alright, I hope you guys liked the video. If you want to learn more card tricks to impress friends and family, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a tutorial from me. Thanks for watching.